Y'all, it's time to try these pickles. I'm super excited. They look good. They look good. They look good though, actually. Okay, come on. Ooh. Smell like those pickles that be in the refrigerator. Well, these is the pickles that be in the refrigerator. But like at the stove, I say that every time I feel. This one. Make sure y'all eat them seeds. They're a little spicy though.
Yeah. So I just cut me a piece off.
Shorty, the pickle's ready.
What?
The pickle's ready.
Hell yeah.
Okay, honest reviews. They crunchy. Oh my God, the crunch on it.
That's it.
It's so much better than last time. You want another one? There's a big one right here. You want that one?
It's the moment of truth.
Yo, I was nervous about this jar because it's plastic, but it worked. It worked. Yeah, it's a hit. You want the rest of them?
Oh yeah.
Or you just want me to taste it?
That's it. Get one more bite.
You like it?
It ain't as spicy as I thought it would be.
It ain't that spicy. Like, it got a nice little spice. Y'all, I think I know how to make pickles now. And I'm gonna keep on making pickles. Where my jalapenos at? I guess I'm gonna just have to wait till I get down there, cause
Well, they're right there at the top.
where?
Right.
Oh, right here. I'm gonna try this pickle jalapeno. It's supposed to be spicy. Wow. I'm trying to get a crinkle cut. The jalapeno fat too. Y'all, I wouldn't even lie for real. I'd be like, yeah, don't make this. Y'all already know. I ain't gonna lie. We got crinkle cut. I was concerned because y'all know I had froze the cucumbers on accident. But I think we're good. I really do. Yay. I'm super excited. I love pickles. So if I can make it myself, I really do think that the bay leaves help the crunchiness, because I was concerned because it was froze. Y'all remember? These bay leaves, they help the crunchiness. And next time I think they said like purple leaves or something like that helps with crunchiness. So I'm gonna try to use all of that stuff next time, y'all, because y'all know I'm gonna be making another batch. See y'all on the next batch.
Hit that subscribe button.